As they stand here today, Logan and Madelyn enter a new chapter in their lives and envision a future filled with laughter, a dream home, travel adventures across America and the world, and eventually starting a family.
Dear Maddie, I in some ways can't believe today is the day, even though I've been waiting on it for so long. Although I knew this day was eventually going to come as early as the time we rode back from Christmas lights and I sang Can't Help Falling in Love by Elvis to you, and in that moment, I couldn't help but vision our first dance to this song. I love you with all my heart, and you are my absolute dream girl. I can't believe how lucky I am to have you and to marry you.
I, Logan, take you, Madelyn, to be my lawful wife, to have and to hold for this day forward.
For better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, till death do us part. I can't wait to see you, say I do, and live this lovely life of ours together. It's going to be great. I love you, baby girl. I bet you look absolutely beautiful. Logan.
If you take me
let's bring it go, dude. Let's go.
Hey.
Wow, my little girl.
If I stop crying,
Is it waterproof?
I don't know. We're gonna find out.
It's a big day.
By the authority vested in me by the state of Tennessee, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Logan, you may kiss your bride.
Hey.
Hey.